Let us study what is a multiplexer. A multiplexer is a digital combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it into a single output lines. That means a multiplexer contains a number of input lines but produces only one output signal. Hence it is also referred as many to one device. The selection of a particular input line is controlled by set of selection lines. It contains set of selection lines. Based on that selection lines, it is selecting which one is to be activated. For n selection lines, there are 2 raised to n input lines. Suppose in a multiplexer there are n selection lines, then it contains 2 raised to n input lines. A multiplexer is also called a data selector since it selects one of many inputs. Abbreviation of multiplexer is MAX. Examples 4 to 1 multiplexer or 8 to 1 multiplexer. Okay. Then applications of multiplexer. Multiplexers are used in those areas where out of many one has to be chosen. Yes, different application areas of multiplexer. First one, parallel to serial conversion. Second, for sharing common bus for address and data transmission among the devices. It can be used as a channel selector and for two-way selection in triggering device. Okay. Then let us study the 4 into 1 multiplexer. The block diagram of 4 into 1 multiplexer. Here, this S0 and S1 are the selection lines. Okay, these are the input lines. In this 4 into 1 multiplexer, the number of selection lines are 2. So, the input number of input lines is 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 2 means 4 from I0 to I3. Okay, here only one output lines, that is P. Okay, then this is the truth table of 4 into 1 multiplexer. These are the select lines, the values of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Based on these select lines, we are selecting the output of this multiplexer. Okay, let us see how to draw a 4 into 1 multiplexer. First we have to draw the two select lines, that is S1 and S0. This is the high value line and this is the low value line. Here the low value line is connected with a NOT gate. Okay, then in the next step we have to draw the AND gates corresponding to the number of input lines. In a 4 into 1 multiplexer there are two select lines, so it contains 4 input lines, that means 2 raised to n. So we have to draw 4 AND gates and the output of these AND gates should be connected to a single OR gate. So we have to draw the 4 AND gates and an OR gate. Okay. In the next step we have to connect the output of these AND gates as the input of this OR gate. Okay, like this. Then in the next step we have to, this is the final output, single output of the multiplexer. Then in the next step we have to connect these input lines according to our truth table. Here first value, select lines first value is 0, 0. So we are connecting the first AND gate to select lines 0, 0 and this is the input line I0. Okay, so this is the AND gate, first AND gate connection. Then in the second AND gate the value is 0, 1. So we are connecting these lines 0, 0, 1. Then this is the input line I1. The next step we are connecting the AND gates as 1, 0 and this is the I2 input line. The last one is I3, that is 1, 1. Okay, so this is the 4 into 1 multiplexer. Thus we got the 4 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, let us see the working of this multiplexer. The select lines are connected to the AND gates in such a way that for each combination of S0 and S1, only one AND gate contains all 1 from the select lines. The other AND gates are made to give result 0 from the select lines. That means based on these input lines, based on these select lines, only one of the AND gate will be give the high output. Okay, then the other AND gates are made to give result 0 from the select lines. This way the select lines make only one AND gate pass the value to its input line and the rest all AND gates give 0. The output of the AND gates are the input of the OR gate. Thus, the result of OR gate is the value contained by that input line. That means here the output of, according to the select lines, only one AND gate will give a high output or the value 1. So that value giving to this OR gate, and finally we will get that the given input line as the output here. Okay, so this is the many to one multiplexer. Okay, thank you.